Good morning, students. Today we will start with the next animal fiber, that is silk. Silk is also called as the queen of textiles. Okay, and from where do we get silk? We get the silk from the silkworms. What are the characteristics of silk? See, silk is a naturally occurring animal protein fiber. Okay, it is obtained from the silkworm, so it is an animal protein, and it is as strong as a steel thread of comparable thickness. Okay, children, if you take a steel thread and you take a silk thread, they both will be of the same strength. So you can see that silk is so strong fiber. Okay, so here we will study, today we will study the life cycle of a silkworm. The silkworm, or you can say the adult silk, it lays at least 300 to 400 eggs at a time. Okay, it lays 300 to 400 eggs, and that too it is laid in a cluster, as you can see here in the figure. Cluster, गुच्छे में बहुत सारे. And where does it lay the eggs? It lays the eggs on the mulberry leaf. This is a mulberry leaf. Mulberry is, in Hindi we call it शहतूत. शहतूत का जो पेड़ होता है उसके जो leaves होते हैं. Okay, so it lays the eggs on the mulberry leaves. That is almost 300 to 400 eggs in a cluster. Okay, and then after, when they are almost after 35 days, 35 to 40 days, these from the eggs hatches out the small larva. Okay, what is it? These are the larva. From the eggs hatches out the larva, and then the larva, which is also called as the silkworm or the caterpillar. Okay, these are the larva. The larva is also called as silkworm. This is the silkworm, or they are also called as the caterpillar. So you can say that the larva can also be called as, either they can be called as silkworm, or they can also be called as the caterpillar. They are also called as the caterpillar. Now, these, what happens is, they are almost after 35 days, they are old. What happens is, they become they keep on eating and eating, and they are very ferocious eaters of mulberry leaf. Ferocious means they keep on eating day and night, continuously khate rehte hain. Okay, they keep on feeding on the mulberry leaves. Mulberry leaves ko hi wo khate hain. Continuously keeps on feeding on the mulberry leaves, and then the silkworm sheds its skin 4 times. When they are keeping on eating and all, its skin sheds the skin. अपने skin को shed करता रहता है at least 4 times. Okay. Then the worm stops eating itself, attaches itself to a piece of straw or branch placed in the cultivation tray, and they are now ready to spin a cocoon. Now, after, what happens after 35 days, after feeding on all these, after 35 days, continuously they keep on feeding on the mulberry leaves. Then they stop eating permanently. They stop eating, and then after shedding the skin for 4 times, now they are ready to spin the cocoon around itself, around its body. Okay, this is the cocoon that you can see. This is the cocoon. Okay, now this cocoon, it is also called as the pupa. Cocoon or the pupa. Now this cocoon, what happens is, what does the caterpillar do? The caterpillar, how does it make the cocoon around itself? Now the caterpillar, it moves its head in the form of 8. You all have seen the number 8 like this. This is the number 8. So the caterpillar keeps on continuously moving its head. okay, in the shape of 8 continuously. And when it keeps on moving its head in the shape of 8, it starts spinning the cocoon itself, okay. अपने सर से it starts spinning the cocoon around itself, around its body. ये देखो silkworm है, उसके body के चारों तरफ it is the cocoon. And now this consists of fibroid protein. अब ये when it is moving in the shape of 8, it is secreting. इसके मुंह से saliva के जैसे like our mouth comes out saliva, from their mouth it comes out a kind of protein, okay. And what is that protein called as? It is called as the fibroin protein. The fibroin protein, okay. So it secretes the fibroin protein in the head, and then also a gum called as sericin. Sericin, okay. Sericin. What is this sericin? Sericin is a gum. It is a kind of gum which cements the two filaments together. Okay? See, two filaments in the shape of 8. So what is it doing? One filament from here to here, then another, then from here to here. So when it is secreting this fibroin protein से बन रहा है, and then another a gum-like structure from the head, that is the sericin. उससे it keeps on cementing. Cementing in the sense, why do we do cementing? To join. So what is it doing? It is joining the two fibers. दोनों फाइबर को आपस में जोड़ रहा है. Clear? By this sericin. So as soon as this protein or the saliva, ठीक है, जो liquid जैसे ही उसके मुंह से बाहर आता है, it is secreted. As soon as it comes in contact with the air, it starts solidifying. Solid में convert होने लगता है. Okay, it starts solidifying, and then slowly, as you can see, it is the whole cocoon is spun around the body of the silkworm. Silkworm के body के चारों तरफ cocoon बन गया है. Now after this procedure, the silkworm goes to rest. After this procedure, for 3 to 4 weeks, it goes for complete rest. अब उसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं करेगा. Then the final stage is the silk moth. Okay, after 3 to 4 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks, it goes to rest, and then after 3 to 4 weeks, what comes out is the moth, or the, you can say that the silk moth. This is the silk moth, and then from the, and how does it come out? The silk moth, how does it come out? It comes out by breaking this cocoon. Cocoon is the outer nut formed, and this is very hard shell. So it breaks the cocoon, जैसे अंडा टूटता है ऐसे ही. It breaks the cocoon, and from this cocoon comes out the silk moth. And this silk moth it secretes a fluid to dissolve the silk, and thus it escapes from this. Okay, इसमें से बाहर निकल जाता है. And now this is the adult silk moth. Adult है. And again, अगर इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया जाएगा, तो what will happen? The female will again lay the egg. Again, the same procedure keeps on continuing. So this whole procedure is the life cycle of the silkworm. This is how the silkworm's life cycle keeps on continuing. I hope children that this much is clear to all of you. Yes. For today we will stop. The rest will continue in the next class. Thank you and be safe.